So we are back.
And we got a successful hunt.
Yes, we did. It may not be a magpie.
But it's this little guy. Hayden hunting for squirrels and rabbits and birds.
I got him.
They're protected.
These little pests.
Yeah, these
Little pests.
birds get in their houses.
They tear up shit.
Slur
And they are the
sticks.
worst fuckers in the world. They tear up a lot of shit. And they are a nuisance to society.
Come here.
And these are not protected birds. These are the blue-spotted pussy willows. I'm not here to pick and see.
Did you stop it right when I said what?
Nope. Still recording, actually. So, there was a successful hunt. It was a pretty good hunt. In the forests of the Akminra. Yes. Okay. So there it is. And this is Hayden and Tyler Productions.
Yep.
If you want more videos like this, you're gonna have to subscribe, like, and comment. Please don't comment if it's gonna be cruel. And if you're just watching this and criticize,
Please
and if you're like a vegetarian,
vegan,
just don't watch.
please.
Please don't watch.
I don't want any bad comments.
Yeah. Bye.